The era of full autonomy is here, but adverse weather and low light conditions remain a critical limitation for existing sensors. To surpass the human eye, a new vision is needed, one that sees through any environment. MCNEX presents the solution with its ultra-high resolution 4D imaging radar. By adding elevation to range, velocity, and azimuth, we enable LiDAR-like environmental modeling. It clearly distinguishes the shape and size of objects that were previously undetectable. This innovation extends to in-cabin safety. It detects subtle breathing to prevent child presence tragedies and classifies occupants to optimize airbag deployment. Our world-class camera technology is the foundation for perfect sensor fusion. Backed by our experience producing hundreds of millions of modules and rigorous quality control, we deliver the most reliable solution. MCNEX delivers an integrated safety solution that perfects the eyes of autonomous driving. We are here to turn your vision into reality.